Hey entrepreneurs, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're here for the first time. My name is Sam Day and I help small businesses with their marketing. And in today's video, I'm answering a common question I get, which is, should I focus on Google SEO or Google pay-per-click? So Google SEO is essentially free, unless obviously you're paying a marketing agency to do SEO for you. But essentially it's free to optimize your website to be found in Google when your customers are typing in things related to the products or the services that you sell. And Google Ads or Google pay-per-click is something that you pay for. So you pay to get your company visible in Google, but you bid for keywords. So different keywords have different prices, different industries can be more or less expensive depending on how competitive it is. So I want to kind of speak about the two angles where this question is important. You know, if you should focus on SEO or on pay-per-click. Some of you might be doing it yourself. So you might be doing SEO yourself, doing Google pay-per-click yourself, and some of you might be hiring or thinking about hiring a marketing agency. So a marketing agency is someone who basically will run your Google ads for you or do SEO for you, and they might offer both services, both SEO and Google PPC, and you might be wondering which one you should go for, or if you should go for both. Or if you're doing it yourself, you might be thinking, which one should I learn? Should I learn SEO and learn that really, really well for my business? Or should you learn Google pay-per-click? So the answers to these questions, it varies depending on the stage you are at in your current business. But I often recommend, if you have a marketing budget of, I would say, at least $600 to $700 or pounds or euros, wherever you are, a month, and also your short-term goal is to get some clients and customers through the door. Like, you're not at a stage where you're generating loads of customers yet. You just want customers almost immediately. Then I would always say, focus on your Google ads, focus on pay-per-click Google ads. But also there's a caveat to that as well, because whether or not Google ads is the right platform for you depends on whether your product or service is something that people are actively searching for. So are people going to Google and actively searching for your product or your service? You know, if your product or your service is something slightly unique and people haven't heard about it before, then it might not necessarily be something that a lot of people are searching for. So other forms of advertisement might be more effective. But if what your business does is something that people are actively searching for example, if you're like a local dentist and you want to show up in Google in your local area when people type in local dentist, then you can get some short-term wins in Google pay-per-click just by bidding on those keywords in your surrounding area. So to cut a long story short, if your short-term goal is to get customers through the door and you have a budget of at least £600 to £700, then Google pay-per-click ads is probably for you. If you are hiring an agency, it's important to note as well that as well as that £600 to £700, you'll have to pay an agency fee on top of that. You'd have to pay them to manage your account. And what you pay them might differ because every agency has their different price points. But essentially you have to make sure that you have, I would say, at least 4 to 5 months of your Google ad spend already available that you can prepare to invest into your ads before it's a viable option for you, because you might not necessarily make a profit your first month or your second month or your third month. It might take a little bit of testing, testing different ads, testing different keywords, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't work. If you are a local business, then it might, be a lot shorter than that. It might not take as long as if you're selling a product or if you service, a wider area. But if you don't really have the budget right now for Google pay-per-click ads, then this is where focusing on SEO might come in handy. SEO is more of a marathon than a sprint. It's almost impossible to, start ranking in Google tomorrow for the keywords that you desire to rank for. There's quite a bit of things that go into SEO. You need to be doing a lot right. Your website needs to be functioning really well. You need to make sure that you have web pages that are optimized for the keywords you want to show up for. You might even want to do, some backlinks where you maybe write guest posts for websites in your industry, and that can really help to boost your website's authority in the eyes of Google, because Google need to trust your website. Like, if Google trusts your website and they see your website as an authority, then they're a lot more likely to rank your website, your product pages, your services pages when your customers are searching for it. But building that trust and credibility with Google takes some time. So if you're not too worried about generating immediate sales and you're looking for, a long-term strategy to rank in Google organically without having to pay, then you should focus on SEO as well. So what I usually tell a lot of my clients is focus on Google Ads first and foremost, so that you can actually start generating some immediate sales. You can bring customers through the door, you can start generating revenue, start generating sales, and work on repeat business if you can as well. So work on getting those customers buying from you regularly so you build a customer base. And then after that, once you have some money coming in, you can then start investing more time, more money, more energy into your Google SEO. So the money's already flowing and you can start investing time and money into your SEO. That being said, you want to do some SEO basics to your website, even if you're not focused on SEO right now, which would mean, and I have some videos on this channel that will help you with your SEO basics. So make sure you check out some of those videos as well. But hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about SEO versus Google Ads or any other aspect of your marketing, feel free to reach out to me or leave your comments in the comments section. If you want to work with me one-to-one, then there's details in the description, and also you can email me as well. I'll leave my email down there too. But thank you for watching. If you enjoyed and got some benefit, please click the like button, as it really helps me to produce more content like this. But until next time, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.